Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to change your payment account on Google Play Store. So whenever you're purchasing something, you can use different payment accounts. So this is actually fairly easy. Obviously, this is an updated video on this, so definitely subscribe down below and comment down below if you have any issues. Now let's get started. So basically what you want to do on your Android phone, go to your payment methods in Google Play. So this will look like this: payment methods. For example, I'm right here and I can go here and click on payment methods. Now here, I can basically add a new payment method. So I can go here, I can add a credit or debit card. And also, as you can see, you can choose the payment method you want to add, just like I showed you right here. Now, if you're using Google Play in India as a payment method, you'll need to update your Unified Payment Interface or UPI identifier ID. You can also add a backup payment method for Google Play subscriptions. To do that, you can go here to subscriptions and then you can get started to discover subscriptions. You can also tap to payments and subscriptions and then go to subscriptions, select the subscription and then tap backup payment method and hit setup. And from here, you can follow the on-screen instructions. Now, at all times, you can also remove your payment account on Google Play. If you want to remove it, you go payments and subscriptions, payment methods, more payment settings, and from here, you'll need to just tap remove on a payment setting. You can also edit your payment settings and methods, but that's pretty much self-explanatory. So that's basically how to change payment account on Google Play Store. If you have any questions or comments, you can always comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.